Agoy.
Nice kayo. Bukid.
Agoy. Ang dalan.
Di mo maluyan.
Oh my goodness. Bumpy ride. Another weekend, another ride. Balod kayo ang dalan. Balod na balod. Kay baka humok ba nang nasa kilid ba? Oh my God, maka-remember na po ko itong di ko anihin. Nga? Agoy.
Sakit ito na yung kilid.
Labaw pa ni sa roller.
Tama.
Na-stress sa dalan. Pagampo na lang dia.
Iagi ito mo rin kung aning ko, no? Pinte daw. Kabunugan eh.
Kay baka mahumok ang kilid ba dyan? Go.
2 miles
Fresh pa. 2 steps, 1 steps. Nice.
Pwede din magkahiya, no? Pinaghan man kayong tao. Kasi na, nilubot. Sana opisina. Mabala ka ta kung gamal.
Kumpitin siya mo sa bear. Tanawa ning ga-hiking. Nanguha na berries. Wild Hackle blueberry. Daghan kaayo. Tanawa sila. Yummy. Nice trail. Kaya pa. Kaya mukat. Wait.
5 miles
Wait.
in. 5 miles in yan. Yeah, fresh pa kayo.
Fresh pa. Wait till later after 8 miles.
8 more.
Kung fresh pa ba.
Check back later.
Kolchak Lake. It's steep. Steep ang trail. Goodness gracious. Grabing bato. Diring dapita. It's so rocky. Unsa man ning maglagot siya ko ani kay mo automatic siya zoom. Unsa na siya?
basin. Kakayanin. Challenge yourself. Laga na siya. Padaplin. Mabanggaan ta. Arita. I think we're almost there. Almost there. I can do it. I think I can do it. Almost there, I think. This is hard. This is the hardest I've ever hiked. It's not easy. But they said it will worth it. So we'll see. Whew. And so many people. And the lake is not deep.
Yeah, but it's like just your top half. Is that
Okay,
fine?
it's fine. It's fine.
Why did it like go black?
You have to press it.
Welcome back.
May balon pa ko.
Welcome back, guys.